Hi children, welcome back to the maths class. In the previous class we had discussed about the similar triangles. Let's continue that by doing the activity questions in your textbook, page number 100, 101 and 102. The first question: the perpendicular from the square corner of a right triangle cuts the opposite side into two parts of 2 and 3 centimeters length. The first part of the question: prove that the two small right triangles cut by the perpendicular have the same angles. Then second part: taking the length of the perpendicular as h, prove that h by 2 is equal to 3 by h. Then third part: calculate the perpendicular sides of the large triangle. And then fourth part: prove that if the perpendicular from the square corner of a right triangle divides the opposite sides into parts of lengths a and b, and if the length of the perpendicular is h, then h square is equal to ab. Okay children? Let's prove the first part of the question, that is, prove that the two small right triangles cut by the perpendicular have the same angles. In this figure, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. So let us consider that angle BAP as x degree and then angle PAC, which is equal to 90 minus x degree. Okay, in triangle BAP, here angle B is equal to 180 minus x plus 90 degree. Okay, that is angle B is equal to 180 minus x plus 90 degree, which is equal to 180 minus x minus 90, that is equal to 90 minus x degree. Now let us consider the next triangle, that is triangle APC. Here angle C is equal to 180 minus 90 minus x plus 90 degree, which is equal to 180 minus 90 plus x minus 90, that is equal to x. Here angles of triangle ABP is equal to x degree, 90 minus x degree and 90 degree, and then angles of triangle APC, which is equal to x degree, 90 minus x degree and then 90 degree. So the two small triangles have the same angles. Okay children, let's prove the second part of the question. Taking the length of the perpendicular as h, prove that h by 2 is equal to 3 by h. Since in triangles with the same angles, sides opposite to equal angles are scaled by the same factor, that is BP is to AP is equal to AP is to PC. Okay, that is side opposite to x degree angle and side opposite to 90 minus x degree angle. Okay, here the value of BP is 2 and then AP is given as h, which is equal to, AP is again h and then PC is 3. So 2 is to h is equal to h is to 3. Therefore, it can be written as 2 by h is equal to h by 3 or h by 2 is equal to 3 by h. Hence, we have proved the second part of the question. Next, third part, calculate the perpendicular sides of the large triangle. Here we have proved that since h by 2 is equal to 3 by h, by doing the cross multiplication we will get h square is equal to 6. Okay, h into h is h square, then 2 into 3 is 6 by cross multiplication. Then h square is equal to 6, then h is equal to root 6. In triangle ABP, here AB square is equal to BP square plus AP square. Okay, here BP is 2 square. So AB square is equal to 2 square plus AP square is root 6. So root 6 the whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. AB square is 10, then AB is equal to root 10 centimeter. Now let us consider the next triangle, that is triangle APC. Here AC square is equal to root 6 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 6 plus 9, that is 15, and AC is equal to root 15 centimeter. Next, fourth part of the question, prove that if the perpendicular from the square corner of a right triangle divides the opposite side into parts of lengths A and B, and if the length of the perpendicular is h, then h square is equal to AB. Okay, let's prove this. Since the angles of triangle ABP and then triangle CAP are equal, the pairs of sides opposite to equal angles are scaled by the same factor. That is, BP is to AP is equal to AP is to BC. Here the value of BP is A, and then AP is H, and then again AP is H, and then PC is B. So A is to H is equal to H is to B, that is A by H is equal to H by B. Then by doing the cross multiplication, we will get the answer as H square is equal to AB. Hence, we have proved this question. Next, second question. At two ends of a horizontal line, angles of equal size are drawn and 2 points on the slanted lines are joined. First part of the question. Prove that the parts of the horizontal line and parts of the slanted line are in the same ratio. Then second part, prove that the two slanted lines at the ends of the horizontal line are also in the same ratio. And then third part, explain how a line of length 6 centimeters can be divided in the ratio 3:4 using this. Okay children, let's do the question. So this is the figure. Here in triangle AOB and triangle COD, here angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, which is given, and then angle AOB is equal to angle COD. That is, the opposite angles are equal. Then we can say that angle ABO is equal to angle CDO. The reason is, if two angles of a triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then their third angles are also equal. Okay, so the angles of triangle AOB and triangle COD are equal. So the sides opposite to equal angles are in the same ratio. That is, AO is to OC is equal to BO is to OD. Next, second part of the question. Here, since the angles of these triangles are equal, then OA is to OC is equal to AB is to CD. So we had proved the second part of this question also. Next, third part. Explain how a line of length 6 centimeters can be divided in the ratio 3:4 using this. Okay children, let's draw a line of length 6 centimeters. First of all, draw a line AC 6 centimeter long, and then at one end of this line, draw a line AB which is 3 centimeter. Okay, so place the scale at one end of this line and then measure 3 centimeter in it, and then draw a slanted line. After that, at the other end, draw CD which is 4 centimeter long in the opposite direction. Okay, that is, here angle CAB and angle ACD should be equal. Okay, now draw BD to cut AC at O. Since AB is to CD is equal to OA is to OC, that is, OA is to OC is equal to, then the value of AB is 3 and CD is 4. So 3:4. Hence, we have proved the question. That's all for today. Thank you.